Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to redeem your Capital One shopping rewards. First, open the Capital One shopping website or app and log into your account. You need to be logged in to view and access your rewards. Once you are in, click on My Rewards and Savings tab. This section will show the details of your available rewards. If you have a balance, you will see the option to redeem now. Simply click on it to begin the redemption process. You can redeem your rewards as e-gift cards by selecting a retailer of your choice, depending on the amount available in your account. The whole process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few clicks through the portal. And that's it. Pretty easy and quick. I hope you found this video helpful and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.